Right, so we already got this store. Let me just show you. HealthKit manager, right? We already initialize this the HealthKit house store, right? And then we can actually use it. So the way of using this is really simple one. You just need to go to this asking for permission view. Let me just show you the ask for permission view here, right? Accept using your health data, right? Or you can say not for now. And once you accept that, you click it, you can submit it. So remember, we got this environment, right? We inject this content view environment here, right? Inject this healthkit manager. We inject that to the environment. Got a content view, right? So basically, everything has been injected. And what I'm going to do right now is to go to here, asking for permission, and before everything, okay, just before everything, you have to use that environment information. Okay, so here we can save this environment, and I'm going to pass in the HealthKit manager, right? Dot itself, and then initialize that to a var, okay? And I'm going to say HealthKit manager, or whatever name that you think is suitable, right? So we use that as an environment, and then at the end of here, because you got something here, it will complain. Let me just reopen it, and of course it all goes down to the preview. Doesn't really matter this, so let's just go with the preview because we're going to test it in the simulator as well as the real physical machine. So it doesn't really matter that much. So what I'm going to do right now is here I believe we got like a V stack, right? Everything wrapped inside the V stack, and I got a padding. Then we can say dots, and we're going to use this house. We haven't. This is like a UI thing, so we need to import UI in order to use it. Import HealthKit UI. So remember, at the back end we use HealthKit, right front end HealthKit UI. Okay, padding and dots. Health data access request. You've got a lot multiple selection. We got this store. Store, we already got that, right? And we got share type, read type, trigger, and completion. Let me just use this one because I want to use as many function as possible, so we can not only read it but also update it. Remember that we already asked for the updates, the privilege, so you can actually write the house app is like the central hub. If you think about this, it's like Apple's official central hub for all these aggregation of data. So you are building a agent, okay, like an extension of the original house aggregation app. So the house app is like a infrastructure. You can get all this data from, say, your watch. You wear the watch, you leave the phone behind, you take a walk. In this case, we are making like a jumping the rope app. You jump the rope, and then you go back home, you charge your watch, and you bring your phone, and you go outside, and then you won't jump again, and you just jump with your phones and record that. Everything will be aggregated in the house app, and that's the reason why we need store for that. Okay, so it's just give your board a picture of what's going on, right? So so we already got this, and of course the rest is just you have to fill all this information. So let's fill that. First is that we got a HK House Store, HealthKit House Store. Oh my gosh, this is if you think about this, it's like a little bit redundant, right? Doesn't really matter. healthcare manager, right? Healthcare manager, and we can access dots and health store. Okay, remember the health store is here, right? We initialize health store, but here comes more thing. We got this like HK sample type, which we did not specify, so we have to do that now. And we finish with the health store, and the rest is it's just we have to let me just adjust the lighting. The rest is just HK sample type. A HK sample type, we haven't initialized that yet, so we go to the manager and then we initialize it. Okay, so in order to initialize it, just the same as the health store, we initialize it by using a let. So what I'm going to do is to let a series of we need to got the share types as well as the read types, and let's use a set to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to cheat a little bit by showing Finder, open a Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this way, and quickly get the compiler working. So, and you can sort of give me some suggestion of what to do. Okay, and okay, let and so what I'm going to do is to give a hint. Okay, this is how it is cheating. Okay, so is set some type for jumping the rope, and let's jump the rope. What's the data again? Jump the rope, wave over, all that. Okay. I have no idea whether it will work or not. Just quickly test out the theory. Okay. Jump the rope, wait, go to max calories. All the type should be like allow to read and to write, to read and write. Right. Okay. So you sort of give the AI the context. So I want to test whether it can give me. Come on, give me some let. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So basically, we got how's this type to read set. Set. Yeah, basically it's a set. Object type. Object type. Quality type for identifier active energy burned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right? So 1, 2, 3. It's just 3. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. It's just a 4. But it gives me so much more. Oh my god. For identifier dot jump count. Okay, does it have a jump count? Okay, I haven't actually read all this API. Doesn't have jump count. Okay, so basically you can sort of like switch the thing that I want to read as well as update. Okay, we can get active energy burns, apply Apple exercise time, move time, all that. Just tell the health app what kind of information that you want. We can set this vibration, energy, blood sugar, cycling power, dehydration. So yeah, there was no jumping. Oh my gosh, I did not know that. Even got like a lean body mass. We can go that. Physical effort. Then we got VO2 max, right? So previously we got VO2 max, we got VO2 max here, so it's not a problem. What about step count? So how many steps? Yeah, we can we use a step as a replacement for the jump? Jump the rope. Can I have like a rope R? Rolling speed, push count, respect rate. Yeah. Maybe we got some like repetition. Okay, maybe. Okay, we don't have. In fact, we don't have. So we have to use whatever like the sensor is available to record. Okay, this does require you to do a little bit like testing because just got this amount of API. Okay, so I'm going to like a research about this. Okay, so I thought this idea AI will help me to find it, but in fact AI do help me to find it, but there is no jump count API. Okay, but you get active energy burned, so there will be calories. Okay, distance walking, running. Yeah, this can be useful, but it's not jump the rope. It's not a weight. So yeah, just get rid of this. Of course, you can use heart rate. I'm going to just comment out because I may be able to use it. Okay, heart rate. Yep. Step count. Maybe I can use it like a step count as a replacement. VO2 max, body mass. That's weight for you. So 1, 2, 3. The heart rate and calories. Okay, so the jump count coming out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And type does not have a member. Doesn't really matter. Already coming out. Come on. Build it. Editor placeholder. Okay, so we have to actually use this because right now it's just a placeholder that automatically generated. Alright, by the way, I almost got like tricked by the AI because it automatically thinks it should read. Right? I give instruction to read and write. So yeah, it's just be really careful about whatever you want. Right? Okay, so I'm going to like simplify this version, okay? It's to read and to write. Because you know, if you want to read it, you can read. If you want to write, you write. It's just the same set of options that I want to choose. Okay, so just to save this and go back here, it should automatically update. Okay, so we can actually use this. Go back to ask permission. So set, share, and read. All this like update and read, all exactly the same. So remember, we got this HealthKit manager here, right? So just the HealthKit manager, and access is read and to write. So if it's like a separate set, you can say it's write, and then it's to read. Okay, so write. Yeah, why cannot convert it? That's weird. That's extremely weird. HealthKit manager dot, right? Where got this? Okay, it shouldn't give me an error. Why cannot convert? Okay, let me quickly. The type of the set to expire argument, set object type to be equal. Okay, so cannot convert. So it says that we got this HealthKit object type, but it's a sample type. Okay, let's go back to the HealthKit manager here. Oh, this object type. So it shows here, right? So yeah, I know what to do. Okay, here's another live demonstration of why you shouldn't like trust AI completely, because it's sort of you know, because it's maybe it's an API not a lot of people use, but that's exactly because there's not a lot of people use it. it can give you the advantage, right? So yeah, so the set object type is not object type, but rather it should be basically this is just a set, right? So just to say this is a set, and let's just add the set here. So HK quantity type and unit double value, yeah, quantity type, and then you can specify a quantity type dot. Okay, let's just find it manually. I'm not trusting AI for this one because it cannot really. Okay, body mass. Okay, of course you can get a body mass index, or of course you can calculate it yourself, but you can simply just use it. Okay, so just use the body mass. So weight down. Okay, weight down. Let me just add it. Yeah, so weight. Jump in the rope. We don't know. So yeah. So since the set, you're going to be separated this comma, and this is a set, right? So we can say HK quantity type and a identify quantity type identify. Yeah, just a dot, and you can get. So VO2 max maybe VO2 max. Yeah, we got VO2 max. All right, and here, let's then separate. What's like going this way? I'm just reformat it a little bit. Here, and then HK quantity type, right, dot. So VO2 max already got this one. What about calories? Okay, so dot, let's just find it manually. I don't know all this API, I can't memorize all that. Diary caffeine, oh my god, they can like record all the caffeine intake. That's good. It's give me a lot of diary vitamin. It's just give me a lot of ideas of what kind of thing that I want to add, what kind of features that I want to add. Insulin level, feel oxygen saturation. Really important if you like when you test if it's got some like COVID, you could VO2 max, right? And the calories. Whoa, there's just some raw value. Localize validation. Yeah, we don't have like a pre-made parameters, so you have to find all that. Just time, day, swim, step count. Okay, I'm going to use step counts as placeholder for the jump the rope. Okay, so maybe I can't do that, so I have to use another metric to act as a placeholder to replace it. Prototype, yeah, got dot. Active energy burned, yeah. Let me use active energy burned as calories, because you got like a default, the basic energy burned. Okay. Express as a separator. Yes, separate. Okay. Select all. Control 9. Reformat it. Save it. Command S. Go back to asking for permission, and come on, yeah, it's gone. That's good. So right now we need a trigger as well as a completion. We got the result, a boolean, adding error, or return a void. Okay, that's good. That's good. I got a good feeling about this. And the equatable basically is just a true or false, like a switch. So you have to make the switch. Cannot conform to view. What the heck is that? Okay, maybe it's it shouldn't be here. Let me clap this thing. What about this one? Oh, I got it. So maybe it's a wrong parameter, wrong modifier issue, but got it here. Okay, come on. Yeah, it's gone. That's it. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I think it's like a right HTML, like front end code just got with no tag, just parentheses, and really hard for you to keep track of things. So sometimes I just collapse things. state variable private var, and is showing the health kit permission option. Okay, I know it's multiple options. Okay, so default is false, but you can make it true. Incredible. Yeah. So yeah, so far so good. And don't forget, we got this like trigger, and we made this app like this, right? So apps accept using your health data. You click it, will become true. So we got this bottom, accept using all this. Instead of just give you a print, we can now actually show this like a switch this data. Okay, so what we can do is like is showing health permission options. So we're going to switch that to true. So yeah, so we got like a trigger here, and of course finally we're going to like dismiss things when you are finished setting the permission. So environment and slash dot like dismiss, right? Private var and just to dismiss. I think that's what suffice because it's self-explanatory. Okay, so we got dismiss, and upon completion, this will be like a result boolean. We got landing error, and yeah, this can be a little bit like annoying because you have to get the result boolean and an error, and you have to return it. So I'm going to expand this. Okay, so right now it's just trigger true or false, and I'm going to yeah, we can close this in fact because it's just a request. We can close this, and we're going to add a curly bracket. Okay, so we'll have a result. So we got like return result, and in, and then according to your result, we can get a switch statement, and switch according to the result. We can get different scenario. Okay, so in case of dot success, okay, we can get a success, and we can say let success. Okay, let success. Okay, and I'm going to dismiss it. Execute dismiss. Okay, so yeah, and of course we got this failure dot failure and same let failure, and yeah, dismiss as well. So expect expression. Why do I need expression? Is that okay? Padding. Yeah, it should be like a curly bracket here. It's not parentheses because it should like go here. Okay, and manual get all expect declaration. Okay, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. So this maybe redundant. Okay, redundant. Get all reformat it a little bit. build it and see whether we got some error here. Build it extraneous as top level. So this get rid of here. Okay, we got like a lot of jump in the. What the heck? Request. Okay, this should be a like a here. Okay. You still fail. Oh my gosh. Expect declaration. Why is that? Why do I expect declaration? That's pretty weird. Maybe all this is at the wrong level. Let's place it here. Okay, maybe this will do. So yeah, originally I'm correct. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Okay, still failed. Oh, what the what the heck is going on? Expect expression. Okay, this is already closed, so this shouldn't be here. Oh, this shouldn't be here. Yeah, build success. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, but if you run this, there will no way it will coming out. So what I'm going to do is to, of course, get a preview. Preview not necessarily here because we're going to pass tons of here. So yeah, we got to reopen. Right now it's just a preview. We haven't like inject the environment. Let's just inject this. I seldom use this. I just hate to, write the preview just for the sake of it. Okay, so healthkit manager. Yeah, that should do. Okay, just some dummy data, dummy thing. Okay, and there's supposed to be an icon here. This must be a bug. Okay, already got this. The asset folder, right? Why it's not showing? Right, already got this. Oh, let me change this name. So house, Apple house icon dot png, and can I just place it here? Get rid of this and rename this. Okay, just gotta walk around. Let's see whether it work or not. Come on, it's exactly the same name. Why is it not working? I don't know. Maybe I need to like clean the cache or something like that. Yeah, it's a little bit weird, but doesn't really matter. Let's click this. Yeah, so switch to true. Let me just make it bigger. So we got the like a default house access, right? Don't allow it. Okay, you can turn on house carrier later in house app, right? So we just go back to our screen here. This should be an icon. Come on. It doesn't really matter. You can click this. Come on. You should like switch it on again. Okay, we have to, okay. So if you don't allow it, you can't do that. Yeah, I think it's best to just test it on the physical device because sometimes it can't simulate things. So what I'm going to do is to build this again and refresh the preview. Okay, not for now. Let's run that again. Okay, definitely a little bit buggy. So you have to go back here. So yeah. So in next video we're going to do that again and use a at least a simulator Okay, the preview. That's the reason why I don't like use a preview. Okay, so become a little bit buggy. Can I like change the skin environment, dynamic type environment? Or completely change the device. Okay, let's say use a dynamic island iPhone. Okay, or I can use my own device. Okay, I seldom use this, so yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, I think the next video is already pretty long. This video. Next video we're gonna actually attach this string to some process, some steps of our app, and then we're going to test it in the simulator. Okay, see you next video. Bye.